Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be going over how to upload CSV files into SQL Server. So the first thing you need to do is open up SQL Server Management Studio. And if you don't already have a database you want to upload your CSV file into, you need to go ahead and create one. So we're going to create a test database. So create database, and we're just going to call this testDB. And we get a little success signal, and we should see our new database in the Object Explorer right there. Okay, so actually let's increase this size so you guys can see what's going on. It looks a little obnoxious. There we go. Okay, so whatever database you want to upload your CSV file into, just go ahead and right click on it, head over to Tasks, and then down to Import Flat File. And this wizard pops up. It's very easy, only a few steps. Let's hit next. The first thing you need to do is find your CSV. So go ahead and browse, and I have this leading causes of death CSV file. It was the cleanest, nicest looking data set I could find within a 5-minute Google search, so sorry for the grim subject, but the data is nice and clean. I'll be having this file up on my GitHub account, and I'll have a link in the video description below. So let's go ahead and open this up, and here you could change the table name. We're just going to call it death causes, and you could change the schema too if you have other ones set up in your database, but since we just created this one, we only have a DBO schema, so that's good to go. Hit on next, and here you get a little preview of what your data is going to look like. I think this covers deaths by state with a couple different types. Unintentional injuries is the only one we can see now, but I think from 1999 to 2016. So let's go ahead and hit on next. And in this screen here you can change, you can modify your columns. I'm going to go ahead and change this column name to just cause name, and I'm going to switch this one to cause type, since this column is more generic than cause name. And you can set your primary keys and whether or not you want to allow nulls. You can change the data types to virtually anything, so that's very helpful. So yeah, just go ahead and hit next, and you get a little summary of what's going on. Just finish, and you will get a success signal. So go ahead and close this up, and let's select all from our database that we just created. Actually, go ahead and refresh it. Select all from, what do we call it? Death. I already forgot. Death causes. Oops, we need to throw a little use statement in front of this. Use testDB. There we go. And there we go. We have a detail of our CSV file, and we successfully imported it into SQL. So I guess we could go ahead and, for some bonus content, go ahead and write a little report off of this. Maybe we can do a tally of deaths by cause type and year. So to do that, we're going to select year. We're also going to be selecting our cause type, and we're going to be summing our death tally. Okay, from death causes. Let's make this look nice. Going to group by our year and our cause type, and let's order this by first our year, descending, and the sum of deaths, descending. So, all right, so looks good. What are we doing wrong here? Oh, order by, there we go. And there's our nice little quick report off that CSV file we just uploaded. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or need any help or run into any issues, just please reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.